like, oh,
This one
okay,
here?
there we go.
Yeah.
Now it went back. Okay, I'm here with my favorite amethyst gal from Uruguay, Maria.
Yeah.
But I picked up some really different pieces. Let's pick up a few and sort of show them. Pick that
Okay.
one up. So I like these. So you were mentioning these are, they're table ones. You just kind of
Yes.
sit. It's a different sort of format.
Yeah, you just see that itself. It's like polished all around, so you can see like the edge. In this case, the agate with the amethyst.
Right.
So it's very nice.
And what you're really known for is the deep color.
Purple,
Yeah, they have like, I have to show you this one I'm going to get. I mean, look at the deep
Yes.
purple. I mean, that to
That's
me, that's,
quality,
it is.
for
It's the
sure.
quality. That's when you're looking for amethyst, that's what you want, is you want the really
Yeah.
deep color. And then, I don't know, these are just, there's something kind of fun and funky,
Yeah.
but these are not, what are these? These are not
this-
amethyst.
Yeah, this is agate with druzy. So it's
Oh, and I-
crystallization on top of the agate.
And I
what
love
is-
the druzys.
Yeah. And what is cool that it's all polished. The full body is polished.
Wow.
So it's so neat. It's beautiful.
It is neat, so this one I'm going to get. First stop at the show. Okay.